I configured Streamerbot to press Stream Deck buttons. In Stream Deck version 7.4.0, there's the Elgato MCP integration, and you can click on that to set up the MPC server. It will set up a profile called MCP Actions, where you can put some of your favorite Stream Deck actions that you want to automatically press. So for example, I've set up in Meld a layer of raining bananas. I'm going to turn that off now. Then I created a multi-action button which turns that layer on and off after 5 seconds. I can press the button directly in Stream Deck here with trigger action, and it has enabled the visibility of that. But now I take the title I've created here of that button, and I come into my Streamerbot and I put that title in here. I can get the session ID of the MPC server, and then I can get a list of those Stream Deck buttons that are in that MPC profile, and they will appear in the global variables. For example, there's the Meld Bananas, and there is the MPC session ID to connect to the server. I've set that action to trigger with Twitch channel points, so now I redeem it, and it automatically presses the button in Stream Deck and does that action. And you can see here in Streamerbot, there's the action history of pressing the button. And yes, Meld Studio already has integration with Streamerbot, but that was just an example because I set up this in Sammy Solutions bot as well, and it doesn't have Meld integration. So I was able to just press the button in Stream Deck. So what this does, it allows you to create buttons in Stream Deck that you can press. So if your favorite integrations are in Stream Deck and not what you want is available in the bots, this is one way to do it.